So this last question was basically just so then I could get a little bit more insights into the next area. So not my title, not my title page, my contents page. This was purely just to keep me a little bit ahead. So from this, I can clearly see that most people think that images are the most important, as 52 people said that that was the best thing that attracts them to this. I think that this is, again, very important, and I do tend to agree with this, actually. So, yeah. This is definitely what I want to include most on my page, without a doubt. Next is the title, or the masthead. I want my masthead to match the font of my front cover masthead as well, just so then it links and it's a little bit more together, which is always good. Next was the numbers. I'm not really keen on these. I don't think that this is more important than the text, but according to this, 22 people say that it is more important than text, which 14 people said that text was more important. I think that the text is more important, so I will probably pay more attention on the text than the numbers, but that's just my opinion. These numbers are going to be referring to later pages in my magazine. So if I have an article about a completely different topic, but the Kardashians' babies, it would have a little number 7 next to it. People would know to turn to page 7. Or if it's about the latest music in 2018, people would turn to page 34. It just shows people the best idea and gives them a nice way of seeing the key articles in the magazine quickly.